Are you looking for to fix Cloudy taking longer than usual? Trying again shortly attempt? Then in today's video, I'll show you the step-by-step process on how you can easily fix this issue. First thing first, you need to head over to any of the browser and in the search bar search for Cloudy outage. From here, you can move into any of the website. Scroll down and you'll get to see more. Let me move into this one for now. Cloudy AI down detector. Once you're in this page, you will be able to check whether the server of Cloudy AI is down or not. If the server is down, then all you gotta do is wait for the server to get fixed. Once the server has been fixed, you might be good to go. Or else the next thing you can try doing is check whether you are connected to stable internet connection or not. Once you're connected, you can try turning on the airplane mode and then toggle it off after a few seconds. You can also try using cellular data if Wi-Fi is not working properly. So that's the end of the video. If this video really helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.